Alright, so I'm in here showing off the wallpaper projection screen on my tabletop. This right here is the Eclipse Invisible Nano Black. This is one of the panels that I coated using that particular screen paint. Now mind, this is going to be a wallpaper projection screen and a tabletop projection screen using an ultra short throw projector. Keep in mind this projector is also interactive, so basically I can write on the screen once I get the pens. Here, I just ordered the pens. This projector is 2600 lumens. It is 720i and it's WXGA. This is right on my desk. Got my projector set up over here. So the ultra short throw was set up over where the screen was at. So I changed it out and got the long throw full 1080p projector. And that one is going to be hitting this screen right here. That is the Nano Black screen right there. Already coated on my 4x8 plexiglass screen. We're doing a lot of gaming on that, a lot of gaming. But I love this freaking tabletop projection screen. I'm going to get me another computer. I'm going to run my computer right through here. Or just you might use this just for watching TV off of. And then over here I have all my other toys set up. Mario Light, PS4 and all that good stuff on my TV over there. Yep. I freaking love this. Look at this from any angle. You can see this screen from any angle. And I'll take out all the lights. So I can sit right here on my desk, work on my computer over here, do all my editing, all my cool stuff down there. And it come right over here and watch TV right off my desk. And this right here is the Invisible Nano Black. Invisible Nano Black. I love this, man. I freaking love this. So now I gotta do is I'm gonna paint the rest of this table black. I'm gonna paint it all in nano. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration and thank you all for watching. I'm going to be doing some more demonstrations of the Nano Black projection screen and also to the Nano Invisible Black projection screen also too. Some more demonstrations of that. Mind you, when I had the projector with the shirt though, it's actually sitting right up on top of the screen. Now I got it at least about, this room is about 13 feet. So it's around 13 feet and it'll be to hit the screen right from there. Give me a nice image, a nice picture. I'll do a demonstration on that tomorrow. Alright, again, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal H Technology Screens. I'm going to sit back and enjoy, I might hit my PS4 up to this too. I'm going to sit back here and enjoy my tabletop projection screen. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for